All right. YouTube family, it's your boy, Brother K. I'm coming back at you today. One more time, I'd just like to thank everybody for tapping in and joining in with me today. I'm on my way to the health spa, family. On my way, I'm finna get that work in. I'm finna put that work in. But I just wanted to show you what it looks like in the province during high tide season. This is what we're in right now. This is what it looks like. Different parts of the province is flooded out. I'm talking about the water actually be almost up to your knees. Well, it's not that high right now, but it will be. And I'm prepared. I have my boots on. Got these boots on.
Malalim.
Yeah, vlogging.
100.
Yes, let's go. My driver just let me know it's 100 pesos
Wow.
for taking me in the high tide. They usually hit you with a double, triple price during high tide season, and I can truly understand because they risking their motor going out when the water is this deep. So I told him, hey, let's go. Brother got work to do. I got to get it in, family. So yeah, the Philippines and the Filipinos and the Filipinas, they very resilient. They go through these struggles, these trials. It's something that they're used to. And to tell you the truth, family, when I first hit the Philippines, the very first year, and I ran into this, my first experience of high tide, I was like, what the fuck? You hear me? I was like, what is this? Yeah, I was like, what is this? I mean, look at the dogs. The dog got to do what he got to do to get through the day. So yeah, this is what it is, family. But now after 2 years, you know, I'm pretty much, I done got my stripes. I done got broken in. You know, it's just something that I have to get through. That's how I look at it. But even though with all of this, I really just love the province. I guess you could say I done became a province boy now. I'm broken in. So this is what it looks like, family. just wanted to share this with you. Tell me, you think you could deal with this? The province ain't made for the weak. When the going gets tough, the tough gets going, family. Yeah, so my driver, he has to take it very, very slow, very easy, because even though I have my boots on, I don't want his motor to stall out in this. In this particular part right here, it's so high, it may be over my boots. And the children, they hard as nails. They grow up be hard as nails. They be diving, they be swimming in this water. I was telling a friend of mine that some of the women that we be encountering and talking to and dating, those women grew up as little girls swimming in this water. They hard as nails. We be thinking those little cute faces and those little slim, petite little bodies and the long hair and pretty little smiles. Listen, family, these girls is hard as nails. So don't be thinking they some pushovers. So this is what it looks like. I mean, this is a long stretch of this. I wasn't letting nothing stop me from going to the gym today. Rain, sleet, snow, hail, thunderstorm. Brother K is going to get it in. I'm fixing to put that work in today. So I just wanted to give you a little quick view of what some of the challenges be living in the province. Yeah, it's much cheaper. You can find even the food is a little cheaper here than going into the city. You have spots where it's green and there's more nature, and you can find beautiful spots of nature out here in the province. It's calm. It's quiet in the morning when you wake up. But then, this is one of the main challenges. But I let this roll off of me like water off a duck's back. ain't gonna stop me. So family, the next video I do, I'll show you my workout in the gym so we can see all the men that's in their 60s, 70s, and 80s. I hope I can be a little inspiration to you to stay young, vibrant, strong, healthy as we get into our later ages. So until next time, family, I would like for everybody to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, peace.